How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add music to WhatsApp status. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch Instagram app on your device and then go to your story at top left corner and add a photo with the music. After you have done that, select the more icon at bottom right corner and then choose the save video. But unfortunately, if the music is not available this way, you can simply screen record with the help of screen recorder available on your device. Simply tap on screen recording and with the audio you can screen record it. After that, you have to launch WhatsApp app and go to updates at bottom right corner of the screen. Select my status and choose the same picture with the audio and then tap on the arrow icon at bottom right corner of the screen and then your music will be added to your WhatsApp status doing this way. So right now or till now there is no any feature available that help us to add music to WhatsApp status directly. So following this way, you can simply add music to WhatsApp status and enjoy the music on your updates. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.